All right, everyone, welcome. It's the first video of the new year, and you know what that means. And if not, well, I don't know what to say. You're probably new. First video of the year. Every time we don't really have anything to show you or teach you here, but rather it's a simple question. What things do you want to see on the video? What things do you want to see on the channel this year? What type of videos, I suppose, and if you have, of course, any very specifics or niche down things that you might need help with that people don't make videos on, such as, let's see, what have we done in the past? Setting up steering wheel pedals. That's a niche down thing that most people don't need, but some people do need help with, and other channels don't really do that. Probably because it's too niche. But anyway, let me know down below what kind of things you want to see on the channel this year. Maybe you want, I don't know, maybe game mechanics, right? It's specific mechanics that are in some popular games that you want to know how to create, or maybe recreating some of the UI in some popular games to know how they work, or to recreate it in your own games or something. I don't know. But anyway, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next week when we get started with the first tutorial of the year. Don't know what I was gonna go for there. It's gonna say the first education needed. I don't know. Anyway, see you guys next week.